Shakas! Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick tutorial on these shaker envelopes I've been seeing. I got a chance to receive one during my last challenge that I hosted, and this is the one I received. And it got me thinking. I had ordered these, it's hard to see, these clear pockets that open at the top with the top flap, and they were too big for what I ordered them for, and so I've just had them, and I've watched a few people make these, and I was like, oh, I can use my pockets that I ordered that were too big. So this is what I'm going to do. These pockets that I ordered them off of Amazon, and they're about, so they are about a little over just about 9.5 inches by almost 7. So that's what it is. And so this is what my plan is. I have some shaker bits that I have here. Use them to fill half of the pocket, and then I'm gonna seal it, and that way I can fold it in half and use it as an envelope and try to secure it somehow that way. So let me see. I want it in half. I'm just going to crease it with my bone folder so I have something to follow with the ruler. So there's my half line that I'm going to use, and since it's St. Patrick's Day, I'm going to use some St. Patrick colors, and I just need to get something real quick. So let's see. St. Patrick's Day, so green. Some green. Different tones of greens. Ooh, am I missing? So get this all in here. Don't waste. So green. And then some gold. What do you think about that colors? Green. Sorry if there's a glare, yeah? Well, my battery is gonna die. Hopefully it lasts. So we got some of that. I think I'm good with that. Let me add some gold that is not so bright, but different shades and different size. Okay. What else? But enough to give it. Okay, so that I have some flowers that I can add that are green. I think those are enough. What else? Some of these clear little, I don't know what they are, but I got them off of AliExpress. And then I have some seed beads I'm going to add. So let's see. This one. And I just pouring, making a mess. But the seed beads I add because I feel like it makes more noise for the shaker. It gives it more effect. Okay, so I don't know. Can you even see that I put some of that in there? Okay, maybe that's good. And I have another green tone one. And then, what else? Oh, I got 2 pink things in there. I don't want that. The whole thing is green and gold, and then I got 2 pink things. What the heck? They might have to stay, because I don't know if I have. Oh, yeah. Here it is. Here it is. Okay. Oh, there's another one I see in there. What? How did this pink stuff infiltrate my green? Okay. That's it. And then I have this gold that I'm gonna just use up the rest, because it's all about using my stash. And I think that's all I'm gonna add. What do you think? That's a good, nice and shiny. Okay, so now my tool should be hot enough, and my tool is tricky because it's very old. I've had it for a while, and it's hot fast. So let's see. I'm just gonna run this on the crease, not too slow, not too fast. A couple times maybe I should do it fast. That way it seals but it doesn't burn, because like I said, mine is real hot. And I don't want it to go through and break off either. Let's see. Did it seal? Let's see. Moment of truth. I'm not dumping it out either, because just in case. Woo! It made it. So here you go. Here's my shaker. And then I have some Velcro dots that I use to adhere to pocket. And so see, like this one, and then that way you can just open and close it. So I've got some dots here, and I'm going to adhere it. Let's see, I just need 1 set. And so I'm putting it on the flap, and then I'm going to turn the flap over so it sticks wherever it coordinates to. And I just want to make sure that it's stuck on there good. Woohoo, woohoo. So I'm getting ready to mail out a 5-pack of cards that somebody won on my challenge I just hosted, and I am going to package them in this envelope. It might not fit. I might have to make a few of them for them to put a few cards in at one time. Let's see. Let me take out 2 cards and then try it. Yeah, so it's just too many cards to fit, but look at this. Oh, do you like it? So that's my little tutorial. I love it. I'm gonna make tons of these now. But I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And until the next video, shakas!